It is undeniable that the Google Pixel Watch has one of the biggest aesthetic appeals. It was created by successfully fusing Wear OS with Fitbit's features. Why is it such a beauty, and why has it drawn numerous criticisms? In today's video, we shall be discussing the beautiful Google Pixel Watch detail. Is it worthy?
Let's begin.
Design. The Pixel Watch's domed glass edges end in a beautiful design, forming a shape that makes it easy to slip under sleeves. It comes with many beautiful straps that are attached quite differently.
Pixel Watch doesn't have prominent external legs like a lot of watches do. Instead, the bands attach internally, similar to how a camera lens attaches to a camera body. So you just twist and click and you get a seamless transition between the watch and the band.
It has a large range of lovely analog and digital watch faces that you may choose from, and like other smartwatches, you can add additional customizations to your preferred watch face to make it more personal. While a number of criticisms have pointed to the watch's large bezels that make the actual watch screen appear small, most of the watch faces and other elements come with a black background that form a unique blend, perfectly hiding the bezels most of the time. The Pixel Watch comes in black, silver, and gold, so you are free to choose between any of these gorgeous finishes. Depending on your style, you can match your preferred watch color with any of the beautiful strap designs and colors that are available to suit your taste.
Yeah, that sounds good.
No, it's not.
Google features. The best smartwatch on the market that combines Google and Fitbit features is the Google Pixel Watch. Along with the Fitbit health features, the Pixel Watch also has the exciting potential to download Google Play Store apps because it runs the Google Wear OS operating system. Of course, having Google Home app to manage your smart home devices, along with Google Maps and Google Assistant, is a blessing. What else can we hope to get from a relationship with Fitbit in addition to these fantastic Google features? Will the Pixel Watch offer the finest Fitbit health features? We'll talk about that later in this video, so stay around.
I'm feeling a little...
Compatibility with Android devices. The Google Pixel Watch operates on Wear OS, and it seems to be one of the most versatile Android smartwatches on the market. This implies that you will not need a Google Pixel phone to fully make use of all the features that come with the Pixel Watch. It's fully compatible with most smartphones that come with Android 8.0 or more. But of course, it is not compatible with iOS devices as compared to the Fitbit.
You only have 75 more to go. Okay? What's this one?
Health features. Despite a partnership with Fitbit, the Google Pixel Watch lacks the majority of the cutting-edge health features seen in the most recent Fitbit models, including body response notification, the readiness score, and temperature. However, given that Fitbit is more experienced with its health features, we do not anticipate that all of that be included in the Google Pixel Watch. Fitbit claims that subsequent models of the Pixel Watch will contain more health features and that this one is merely the first in a series. If you enjoy content on the latest technology trends like this, consider subscribing to our channel. Hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any of our timely updates. The Google Pixel Watch, however, is not that bad. It has a heart rate monitor that may be among the most precise, with a pin rate of once per second. James Park had this to say: "Heart rate is such a foundation of so many of the health and fitness experiences. That's why we paid a lot of attention to it. There's a lot of investment in taking Google machine learning expertise and applying it to the problem. So it resulted in the best heart rate tracking that Fitbit's ever developed. By purchasing a Fitbit Premium subscription, users can make up for the most of these missing functions, and you are entitled to a 6-month free trial when you purchase the Pixel Watch. You will also find basic Fitbit features like sleep tracking, steps, calories burned, the active zone feature, and a variety of 40 fitness options. Are these features worth the Pixel Watch's price? Please stay around because we'll be talking about that later in this video. Battery life and connectivity. Naturally, you'll be worried about how long your wearable will last when choosing the sort of smartwatch to buy, especially since it'll need to do a variety of functions like GPS tracking, determining your sleep score, and monitoring your heart rate, among others. The Google Pixel's typical battery life is 1 day, so you'll need to find some downtime in the middle of your regular schedule to charge it. You should be prepared to charge it approximately every 15 hours when you use the always-on display feature. For connectivity, the Google Pixel Watch uses Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, GPS, Wi-Fi, and an optional LTE connection. Price. The Google Pixel Watch seems to come at a high price of $350, making it more expensive than the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, which starts at $279, and the Apple Watch SE, which starts at $249. The Google Pixel Watch does a wonderful job serving as a link between the other Android smartwatches, even though it doesn't have the best of features. The Fitbit Sense is without a doubt one of the best smartwatches with more health-related features. With an outstanding battery life that outlasts the Pixel Watch, it is undoubtedly a viable option for many people. Check out our next video, Fitbit Sense. Unboxing and hands-on color variants. Which is best?